brands spend thousands of video content that looks great but doesn't convert. I'm Ariana, founder of BoldFrame Visuals, a video strategy agency that helps brands turn creative assets into real sales. Over the past few years, I've studied hundreds of campaigns, from high-performing ads that scale profitably to the ones that quietly burn through budget, to figure out what actually drives conversion. Before I built BoldFrame Visuals, I spent several years getting 2 degrees in psychology and running a global music brand that grew from a creative idea into a cultural movement that modernizes how people connect to the piano. That combination taught me something that a lot of videographers completely miss. People don't buy because of production quality. They buy because of emotion, story, and psychological resonance. This channel is where I bring all of that together: strategy, psychology, and creativity to show you how to make video content that actually works. Here you learn what makes video content convert, not just look good, behind-the-scenes breakdowns of real campaigns I run for brands, the psychology behind why some videos stop the scroll while others don't, and how to plan, shoot, and deploy content that directly drives business outcomes. Whether you're a founder trying to fix your content strategy or a creative who wants to understand the business side of video, this is for you. Because video isn't decoration, it's a sales system. And when you treat it that way, everything changes. If you're ready to stop guessing and start building video that actually converts, hit the subscribe button. And if you're serious about scaling with video and want to work directly with me, apply for a video strategy sprint at boldframevisuals.com. Let's build together something that works.